Alright, so this is for a 2001 Chevy Tahoe. In order to get this cup fit from Power Belt, from their kit, from the U-ball joint, it don't fit. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna use a flap wheel disc just to nick it a little bit to get this cup to go inside. I was trying to do some research, trying to figure out, how to do this, and I saw people beating on the front with this alignment bushing, but you don't do that. It'll fuck this shit up. Anyways, in order to get this cup, what we're gonna do is use a flap disc wheel, just maybe a couple millimeters off of it, just to face, and then we'll get it on there. Push it in. Do it little by little and then test fit. See, now it goes in a little bit better. Still needs a little bit more, so we'll give it a little bit more. And you do this without damaging the rubber. I mean, you just barely nick it. No damage to the rubber, no damage to anything else. Again. Almost there. Perfect. Now we're going to fit in this bushing. So we'll line it up. I'm going to use a piece of wood to start it off to get it even. And after that I'll take it off. So for some lube, we're going to throw on some WD-40 just to help it out slide. Make sure it's nice and even. All right. So now it's bottomed out, we're going to release it. Take the wood off. Got these metal shims now we'll be using. Now we'll do this a couple of times and test fit, and then push it in a little bit more. As you see, it's not all the way in to where we want it on the control arm. And if you follow us, I'll show you. Tell on this side right here, you need to press it in a little bit more, not that much. Probably about maybe about a quarter in. A little bit more to get it in there, and we'll be good. Oh, sí. Mira que se ve un chingo. Little? Maybe. No, that's it. That's it. I think that's it. Yeah, I think that's it. No, that's good. So this is the nice snug fit right here. This is what you want. I mean, you don't want to beat the shit inside. I mean, you just want it to slip in there. Just like that. So we're good.